Hey class, I just wanted to go over one more example because I was looking carefully at the examples and you might not have seen one exactly like this. So this is number 8 and this is on the homework that I gave you, which is over here. And it says a lighthouse operator sights a sailboat at an angle of depression of 12 degrees. So if this is a lighthouse, and here's the operator right there at the top of the lighthouse. They sight a sailboat at an angle of depression. Remember, angle of depression is down from the horizontal of 12 degrees. And here, let's draw the sailboat. So if the sailboat is 80 meters away, how tall is the lighthouse? Well, that means this is 80 meters, and they're asking for this right here. So here's our triangle. This is our lighthouse right here. They sight the sailboat 80 meters away, and this is 12 degrees down. Here's our right angle. The problem is we have to recognize that this angle and this angle are what's called alternate interior angles. So if this one's 12, this one must be 12. Because think about it. Here's two parallel lines. They're cut by a transversal, which is right there. And these make alternate interior angles, which are the same. So then we can do our problem because we see our angle of depression of 12 degrees, which is also an alternate interior angle with this. Now we can do our problem. So we always start our perspective where we have our angle. So let's put our little person right here. This is opposite. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse, right? And we're looking at this triangle right here. Okay. Now, the sides with values are opposite and hypotenuse. So we have sine of 12 degrees equals opposite, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 80. We put this over 1, and we cross multiply. So what we get is x equals 80 times sine of 12 degrees. Let's see what that is. 80 times sine of 12, 16.6. So we have 16.6 meters. It's important that you recognize the alternate interior angles because the angle of depression in some of these problems is not going to end up in our actual triangle. So it's going to be outside of it, like here. So you'll have to find the corresponding angle inside the triangle. You need to recognize alternate interior angles. Let's try one more. Just the setup. I'm not even going to show you the whole thing, just the setup. Okay, I'm just going to help you set this one up. This is number 9 from the homework. From the top of a 210-foot tall lighthouse, here's the lighthouse, it's 210 feet. The angle of depression of a boat is 27 degrees. Angle of depression is always down from the horizontal. So see, it's down from the horizontal. The angle of depression of a boat is 27 degrees. And here's our little boat. Find the distance from the boat to the foot of the lighthouse built at sea level. That's what we need. Here's our right angle. Now you have to identify where the alternate interior angles are. Well, this one and this one, right? Those are alternate interior angles. So this one must be 27 degrees. Now you should be able to solve it.